after 8 days in Orlando, 5 of those at the amusement parks.
We were ready for relaxation time.
It was nuts. So we got here yesterday, and today we've just needed to get caught up on things. Sleep. You
just doing nothing.
Yeah, you worked. I worked on editing a video. Dane worked on creating animations in Blender, which he's into now. Our site here is awesome because we put up that tent.
Yeah.
And so Deacon goes out there and just plays with his toys. We heard there's another full-time family here. I think they have 4 kids, so we'll probably meet them tomorrow.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did.
We spent 3 weeks at the Oaks at Point South in Yemasse, South Carolina, which is a Thousand Trails park. Located centrally between Charleston, Hilton Head, and Savannah, Georgia, it was a great jumping off point for exploring the area. We absolutely loved visiting these new places and are excited to take you along in future episodes. The time we spent here was a perfect combination of exploring, relaxing, and catching up on regular life responsibilities, which is what this episode is about. What does RV life look like when we're not out exploring and seeing new parts of the country? There was a 1-mile walking path around what affectionately became known as Alligator Lake behind our campsite. That, in addition to watching an amazing documentary called The Riot and The Dance, is inspiring most of this week's content. I hope you'll indulge me with a couple of alligator and nature montages. If you've not seen The Riot and The Dance, I would encourage you to stop what you're doing. Yes, pause this. We'll be here when you get back and go watch it. It is that good. Don't take my word for it. Check out this preview.
The Word of God is not just in black and red letters on onion skin pages. It's living and breathing in the mountains, the deserts, and the trees. If we wanted to study somebody like Michelangelo, we would want to study all of his works of art, his paintings, his sculptures. The way you get to know God is to study everything that he wrote and made.
Okay, now that we're on the same page, I think you'll appreciate our alligator and lake footage a little bit more. So what are we doing?
Look at the alligators. There was one right there, one back there. And yeah, about to see another one. Wait a minute, I think I see one.
I want to see an alligator out of water.
The alligators are right over here. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Okay, this is where we saw the mama duck.
The mama duck.
Yeah, and her babies.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise. That with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here.
So we said we were going to have some catch-up days once we got to South Carolina. And it looks like the weather is supporting that because it has rained and rained and rained and rained. Deacon has made friends and they're playing outside in the Legos outside in the tent and don't seem to mind the rain. The reviews on this 1,000 Trails when it rains is it floods, and that is accurate. But I still like it. I still think it's a fun campground because you can't go wrong. Look how beautiful that is. But it is slightly underwater.
Yeah. Slightly, but like.
And I naively thought, oh, we'll be there in May. Maybe it'll be less spring, more summer weather, and we won't get a ton of rain. That's not been the case. Maybe the sun is going to come out after all. You smell it?
I'm confused. What are you doing?
I'm trying out the new cleaner.
But look, why are you filming?
She gave me the cleaner to try out and let people know if I like it.
He's right here. No, buddy. Buddy. Come on here. No.
What you got there?
My. No. His name is James. Nope. James, come back here. Yeah. You be safe up here. Just stay. Stay. Stay put.
So Deacon, can you tell us about your frog?
Well, I just found him right over there. Come here, James. I found him right over here.
No, don't hold him upside down. He dies that way.
I don't think so, Devin. I guess this is supposed to be used to clean out the frame. So just so you know, you put this on the brush, and you brush off the chain. You stick it on this piece on the chain brush, and then you put this stuff on that stuff, and then you brush the back. I didn't know that, so I used a ton of this to put on this and rub the chain. Apparently, you're not supposed to put this on that. Apparently, you're supposed to rub along the chain. Apparently, this is supposed to grease it up, I guess, and this is supposed to clean it up. Don't make the same mistake that I did. I'm not sure if it affects anything. It seems like a waste. I think that should be good. I have no idea if I'm doing this right or not. It looks cleaner to me, so I probably could go in for one more time with these to get the back of it one more time, and then clean off the frame. I think that'll be good. Now I'm gonna go in frame and use this. Bye Bye Dirt by White Lightning, by the same guys who made this and that. I need a towel. I got one. Smells funny. Ta-da.
What are we doing?
Right now, we're about to go to the alligator trail that's way over there. Yeah, let's do this.
Hawaiian shirt, pajama pants, and water shoes.
Yep.
It's perfect for a bike ride. Thank you for joining some of our regular days. Guitar with Devin, this and that bike maintenance with Dane, James the Frog with Deacon, and of course, the Alligator Lake Walks. We hope this inspires you to find beauty and pleasure in the ordinary days. Until next time, friends, happy travels.